Here we go, box of Elite Hockey. This is a free box, MNum 1 for jumping in the group break tonight. Good luck, sir. It's been an MNum night. Right. Destroying it. Alright, starting off with a base pack. You have to get them out of the way, I guess, right? Hey! Kevin Shattenkirk. Elite signings. Very nice. Shat Deuces. JVR. Aspirations. And Victor Hedman. New breed jersey. New breed jersey. 2 hits out of what? 3 packs. $9.99. Mikko Koskinen. Rookie. Walter, I think I have 1 left on the shelf. That is it. 99. Drew Bagnall. Aspiration rookie. Drew Bagnall. Aspiration rookie. Yeah, I did. For sure, Flop. 90, Walter. Steve Yzerman. Elite Series. Jonas Enroth. Aspiration. And Martin Brodeur. Elite Stars. Rafael Diaz, rookie for the Canadians, $9.99. There's a thick one. Here you go. Prime numbers jersey for the Devils, Zach Parise. Prime numbers jersey. Ryan Wilson, aspirations. Eddie Lack, rookie auto. Nice. Eddie Lack. Oh, nice, MNum. He's got the set now on the Precy. Colton Tubert, rookie for Edmonton. Base. Tyler Myers, aspiration. Taylor Hall, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, Elite Series. And a base pack. Gabriel Landeskog, Rookie Stars. Mikko Koivu for the Wild, aspiration. And number /99, Filppula for the Wings, status die cut. So MNum, there you go.